Bonjour, this is Arina, and I'm going to take you on a day in the life as a Geneva student. First, I got on my bus, and they had to take a check, so I had to pull out my pass, and then I made the walk over to the WHO headquarters. I didn't know where to walk here, but there was a nifty little sign that helped out. I met up with everyone, and we walked back over to our morning debrief. Here's everyone gathered together, and oh, it's late. Just kidding. We walked over to go get our badges. Look at us, so cute. And this is a statue to commemorate the eradication of smallpox. We made it all the way up to our meeting room. And look at that, reserved just for USC. Wow. This is where we'll be staying for the day to go through some of our meetings with the WHO, and Ricardo's tying his shoes. Just kidding. We made the walk over to the Emergency Operations Center. Can't show you in there. And then we took a quick break for lunch. It was interrupted because we got to go to a sneak peek for the executive board meeting. That's the translation room, and that's us stuck in the elevator. Quick bathroom selfie, and back into our meeting room. That's a Capri Sun break. These are really good. And some of our students, and then we made the walk back and a bus ride to go get some dinner. We couldn't decide, so we ended up at McDonald's. I forgot my receipt. And that's everyone's food, and Dean got just what he wanted, McDonald's. We took an evening walk by the lake and grabbed some wine, and oh, look at this nail I found. Okay, bye-bye.